Okay, let's do problem 2 for two-valid anagram. Here we're given string s and t, and we have to check if t is an anagram of s. So anagram is nothing but rearranging the letters of a word. So for this one, all we need to do is just count how many letters appear in s, and then just check if that also appears in t. But the way we track it, track the number of letters, we can use hash map, but it would be easier to use integer array. So what we're going to do is we're going to have integer array, say numbers, that's of size 26. Why size 26? Because we're given constraints that s and t are only lowercase letters. And what we're going to do is we're going to have like a for loop that iterates the string s and then store the number of letters that appear in s. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2 all the way to 25 because there are 26 letters, and this a will represent a 0 will represent a, 1 will represent b. Because there's a ASCII character of a is 97, all we need to do is just number and then whatever letter we put in, and then minus 97 plus plus. So that will be our first for loop, and then the second for loop we just do if, so that will be for s, and then we iterate the t in the second for loop, and what we do is if number letter of t minus 97 is greater than 0, meaning if there's a word in it, if there's a letter in the array, we just do whatever that is minus minus, and then else, meaning that if the letter in t does not appear in letter in s, all we just do is return false. And then at the end of the for loop, if this false hasn't been called, we just return true, because that means it's an anagram. Also, it's important to say that the length are the same. So our initial statement will be if s dot length is not equal to t dot length, we just return false. But before we do that, we can just initialize our variable int numbers equals new int 26. And in our first loop, we can just say for each character in s, string s, so we can just convert that to character array. So we can just say numbers ch minus 97 plus plus, and then in the second one we're going to iterate the string t, and then just say if the numbers at ch minus 97 is greater than 0, we just do numbers ch minus 97 minus minus, else we return false, and then at the end of the for loop we just return true. Alright, let's run the test. It's passed, let's submit. Alright, so it's 97%, so that's it.